shoes are wet and the streets are too wet to be riding. Leaves glow orange, one falls on my hand. I don't attempt removing it. I soar through red lights, almost turning my head precariously. One more block until I will have to stop. What if I kept going? I'll keep going, just not knowing where I'm going. My hat is worn low while squinting ahead in a blurred glow. Twirling rectangular sign flashes brightly. The cold outside. One more block until I will have to stop. What if I